In this quick World of Warcraft Wrath of the Lich King tutorial, I will show you how to get from Ironforge to Exodar to Azuremyst Islands where Draenies are spawning. So this is a long journey because Ironforge, the Dun Morogh and Exodar and Azuremyst Islands are located in total different positions on the map, but I will show you the route and how to get there by foot. Just a quick additional tip, if you can find a mage anywhere along the journey, just ask him to create you an Exodar Portal, as will be much faster than taking all these boats and trams and yeah, okay? So that being said, let's get it started. The journey sounds like that. We have to get from Ironforge to Stormwind, then from Stormwind to Darkshore, and then from Darkshore to Azuremyst Islands where we can find Exodar. So for this you have to get right here in the east side of Ironforge at the Deeprun Tram, because from here we can take the tram from Ironforge directly to Stormwind. Alright, so get inside that portal, take the tram, get out of the tram, and now exit the portal and you are in Stormwind. And now you have to get to the port of Stormwind. You will arrive with the tram in Stormwind in the Dwarven district, and you'll have to head to the west side of Stormwind, and you have to get at the first dock because here will arrive the boat from Stormwind to Darkshore. So take this yellowish boat and now this will get you to Darkshore. Once you'll arrive in Darkshore, you'll arrive at this cross dock. You will have to get out of the boat and now turn left. This boat will take you to Azuremyst Islands, to Exodar. Just don't get aboard the boat from the opposite side of the yellowish boat, because that boat will get you to Teldrassil, to Darnassus, where night elves are spawning. We are not interested in that one, okay? So get aboard on this boat and this will get you to Azuremyst Islands. And when you'll arrive in Azuremyst Islands, if you'll continue to go forward, you'll arrive in Exodar, as it's really close to the dock. So that's how to get from Ironforge to Exodar, how to get from Dun Morogh to Azuremyst Islands. I hope this tutorial helped you out. A comment would be much appreciated, and thanks a lot for watching.